aircraft collective up, pushing to formation, heading 090.
2 airborne.
3's away, steady climb.
Missile warning. Right, hard right. One place to man the chaff.
Hard right bank, terrain clear. Popping the ridge now. Stay low.
Rockets away. Viper 1-1, engaging with rockets.
Copy that. Target neutralized. BDA successful.
We're pinned down, need immediate support.
Roger. Targets acquired. Firing now.
All clear, move out.
Mission complete. Apache warriors return victorious to home base.
The AH-64 Apache, America's ultimate aerial warrior machine.
Welcome to where we build the AH-64 Apache attack helicopter. Titanium billets are forged into critical Apache airframe structures.
Aluminum alloys are heated to precise forging temperatures.
Closed-die forging creates transmission housings with superior strength.
Landing gear forgings withstand extreme combat touchdown forces.
Every forging parameter is digitally monitored for quality assurance. Controlled cooling prevents stress fractures in airframe components.
Titanium bulkheads move to precision machining operations next.
The forge department produces hundreds of Apache components daily.
5-axis CNC machines sculpt titanium with micron-level accuracy. Precision cutting removes material to exact flight specifications. Simultaneous 5-axis motion machines complex Apache geometries.
16 hours of machining creates each main rotor hub.
Automated pallet systems maximize spindle utilization continuously.
Every toolpath is simulated before cutting real materials.
Surface finishes meet stringent military aerospace specifications. Honeycomb core provides strength with minimal weight penalty. Titanium leading edges resist sand and debris erosion. Vacuum bagging compresses layers before autoclave curing.
The autoclave cures blades at 350 degrees and 100 psi.
Cured composite blades emerge ready for finishing operations. Digital X-ray reveals internal honeycomb and bond integrity. Laser chirography reveals disbonds invisible to other methods.
Coordinate measuring machines verify blade geometry precisely.
Static balancing ensures each blade has matched weight distribution. Dynamic spin testing detects imbalance at operating speeds.
Tracking targets enable precise rotor tuning during flight tests. The T-700 turboshaft engines power Apache combat missions.
single crystal turbine blades survive 2,000-degree combustion gases. Blisk Manufacturing integrates compressor blades with disc. The combustor burns fuel at temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees. Turbine blades are weight matched for perfect rotational balance. Engine modules are stacked and precision aligned during assembly. Accessory gearboxes drive all engine support systems. Each T700 produces 1,940 shaft horsepower for combat.
Every T700 engine undergoes rigorous test cell validation.
Oil analysis reveals microscopic metal wear particles.
Validated engines move to installation preparation staging.
The main transmission transfers 3,400 horsepower to rotors. Spiral bevel gears are ground to micron-level precision. Diamond grinding wheels create perfect gear tooth profiles. Gear trains are assembled in precise sequence order.
Gear backlash is verified within thousandths of an inch.
Loaded testing verifies transmission performance under stress.
Each transmission is rated for 5,000 flight hours.
The Fuselage Assembly Hall builds Apache airframes simultaneously.
Laser alignment ensures bulkhead positioning within thousandths. Automated drilling creates thousands of precision fastener holes.
Armored crew compartments protect pilots from enemy fire.
Glass cockpit displays replace traditional analog instruments. Flight controls connect to fly-by-wire actuator systems.
Armored crew seats withstand high-velocity crash impacts.
Environmental systems protect crews in all conditions.
The pilot commands combat from this advanced cockpit.
Tandem cockpits are ready for avionics system integration. Stub wing stations are laser aligned for precise weapons pylon attachment. Each stub wing carries 4 hardpoints for missiles and rockets. Hydraulic lifts position wings within millimeter tolerances for attachment. Titanium bolts are torqued to exact aerospace specifications. Both wings attached, Apache takes its distinctive attack silhouette.
Hellfire missile launcher rails mount to outboard wing stations.
Rocket pod ejector racks undergo manual cycling verification tests.
Quality inspectors verify all 8 hardpoints before sign-off approval.
The Apache nose receives its advanced targeting sensor systems.
The TADS turret contains 4 distinct targeting sensor systems. Technicians in ESD suits
handle million-dollar sensor equipment carefully. Precision hoists align the turret within thousandths of an inch. Crash-worthy armored seats protect pilots from impacts and gunfire. Vertical stroke systems absorb crash forces, protecting pilot spines.
Co-pilot seat adjusts electromally for optimal sensor system viewing.
5-point harnesses undergo inertia lock and quick-release testing.
Boron carbide armor protects crews from heavy ground fire.
Climate-controlled ducting keeps crews comfortable in extreme conditions.
Complete crew compartment passes final survivability equipment inspection.
The Apache enters the paint facility for tactical coating application.
Surface scuffing ensures proper adhesion of tactical camouflage paint. HVLP spray guns apply uniform olive drab base coating.
Coordinated teams apply 3-color angular camouflage patterns precisely.
Unit insignias and Army markings complete the aircraft identification. Infrared reflective coatings reduce thermal signature for survivability.
Infrared curing ovens harden military specification protective paint coating.
The Apache emerges in full Army combat camouflage scheme.
The 4-blade main rotor head awaits its final mating.
Specialized rigging lifts the multi-ton rotor head assembly safely.
Precision alignment guides the rotor head onto the transmission mast.
Hydraulic tools torque the main rotor nut to specification.
Torque verified. Confirmed.
4 composite blades unfold and lock into operational positions.
Inspectors verify each blade from root to tip before approval.
Main rotor installation complete. The Apache takes its final form.
The tail boom awaits its high-speed driveshaft installation sequence.
Each driveshaft segment is precision balanced for high-speed rotation.
Technicians thread drive shafts through tail boom bearing supports carefully.
Flexible couplings connect segments while allowing slight misalignment tolerance. The tail rotor gearbox converts power to vertical rotation. 2-blade tail rotor mounts and connects to anti-torque controls.
Complete tail rotor system, ready for anti-torque power transmission.
The Apache enters ground test for complete systems verification.
The intermediate gearbox redirects power through the tail angle. Ground power units energize all aircraft electrical systems safely.
Cockpit displays illuminate as avionics run self-diagnostic sequences.
Hydraulic tests verify pressure and actuator full-range motion capability. Flight control rigging verification confirms proper control system response.
Targeting turrets flew through full range during operational checkout. Weapon systems test with all safety interlocks fully engaged.
All ground tests passed. The Apache is certified airworthy.
The AH-64 Apache lifts off, ready for combat action.
That's how the AH-64 Apache is built for combat missions.